Hello everyone, it's Miranda at RTC and today I'm going to show you how to split a zone on the Kress RTK mission app. Using our demo unit at Thorpewood, I'll show you how you do that. Now you can split a zone for one of two reasons. The first is obviously to make a larger zone into two separate ones. However, it can also be used as a way to create a temporary no-go zone. Now, the reason that you might want to do this is because you can use the RTK app to delete a no-go zone that was put on by your dealer, but you cannot reinstate that no-go zone or create a new one without contacting the dealer, which can be quite expensive to do. So this is sort of a trick that helps you get around that. So I'll show you by going into the main menu at the side, select My Maps, go into your map, select the active map, use the three dots in the corner, select Edit. That's going to create a duplicated map. Now I'm going to rename it Demo, just so that I know for the future that this is the one that I want to edit. Then you're going to scroll down to the area that you want to split the zone in. So for example, woodland area. Scroll down, you'll see there's a bit here that says split or merge. That's the part you're going to select. Now, if you select your zone, it's going to come up with a split option in the corner. Press that and it comes up with this box. Now, the box has 4 points. You can add extra points in. You can remove those points, depending on the complexity of the shape that you want to split off. Now, if you wanted to split it as just halfway through, you can do that. Then you'd press confirm, it'll process it, and those will become two separate areas. So as you can see, that is now 2 and 4 instead of all being 2. Now, if you want to undo that, you can merge them back together, press confirm, and it will put it back to being one large area. Now, the way that we use it as a no-go zone feature is you're going to select your zone, press split. Now, say for example, I've got a tree stump in the middle of the lawn here that I want to cut off. Now, I could rely on the obstacle avoidance, but that would reduce the efficiency of my machine. So by creating a no-go zone, I know that my mower's just not going to go there. So say for example, this is the area that I want the no-go zone to be. I'm going to press confirm. Now you'll see it's created zone 2 and this is zone 4. So the way that you ensure that it doesn't go to mow zone 2 is you have to edit the schedule now. So once you're happy with the temporary no-go zone you've created, you're going to come back out again. Now you'll publish it, select OK, import data, select yes, confirm. Then you're going to go into the schedule. Now, you'll have to do it for every day, but I'll show you just on Monday, and then obviously you'd repeat it for every day. You'll go into your schedule, select the zone that has zone 2 in it. Then you're going to go down to the map, zoom in, and you're going to see that it's selected 2 as a highlighted area that it is going to mow. So you want to change that by deselecting it and reselecting area number 4. Once you've done that, you're going to press confirm and it will say zone 4, zone 3, zone 1. And we know now that zone 2 is not going to be mowed, aka our tree stump. So you save that and then you would repeat it for every day of your schedule. So again, you would go into it using the map, deselect zone 2, reselect zone 4, confirm, save, and you do that for every day of the week so that your mower knows not to approach zone 2 and therefore it will treat it as a no-go zone. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful. Have a lovely day.